This video contains explanation about Home tab and page layout. Under page layout, there are various headers like themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet option, and arrange. Under themes, there are themes, colors, fonts, and effect. And under page setup, we have margins, orientation, size, print area, break, background, and print titles. Insert page break. Select the required data and then click on print area and then on set print area. In order to insert page break, press on the required cell and then click on breaks and then insert page break. Under scale to fit, we have width, height, and scale. Under sheet option, we have grid lines and headings which can be made viewable or not. And then under arrange, we have the option to bring forward or send backward, selection pane, and align. Under align, there are several other options like snap to grid, snap to shape, and view grid lines.
The Home tab is the clipboard. Here you have the basic functions like cut, copy, and paste. Next we have the font group. This is where you can change the font type, size, color of your text. Moving on to the alignment group, here you can adjust the position of your text within a cell from center, right, or left. The wrap text feature is especially useful for displaying long text in a single cell. In the number group, you can change the format of your numbers, like it can be displayed in percentage, currency, etc. The styles group includes tools for quickly formatting your cells. Let's use conditional formatting and highlight the cells in the total price column that are greater than 20,000. The styles group includes tools for quickly formatting your cells. Let's use conditional formatting and highlight the cells in total price column that are greater than 20,000. And the format table option allows you to quickly turn a range of cells into a table. Cells column, you can insert, delete, or add entire cells, rows, or even the entire sheet. In the cells column, you can insert, delete cells, rows, columns, or even the entire sheet. You can also adjust the height width in the format option. Finally, the editing group. We will use sort and filter to sort the total sales data in descending order. Since we converted the data into a table format, we can also use this option, which also allows us to sort the data in whichever order we want. Like we can sort the data from smallest to largest or largest to the smallest. If we hadn't formatted the data into a table, we would have had to use the sort and filter option. And now we will use the find and select option to find all the entries with the product laptop. With the help of this tool, we can locate all the entries with the product laptop in it. And with that, we are done with the functions of Home tab.